All right, Earl is starting to come ashore. I've found a spot by a lighthouse. Whoa! A very noisy lighthouse. At least I can get out of most of the wind here. Wow, that foghorn is loud. Has a very good representation on satellite. It's got what looks like an eye with very well pronounced bends. Oh, wow, that thing is loud. I hate driving in these conditions. It sucks because you have to concentrate so hard. You're getting buffeted by the wind and the roads are slick, so you have to worry about hydroplaning. Then you have to watch for debris in the road. And I gotta try and keep a decent speed without excessive speed to keep up with this hurricane, because it's paralleling the coast almost perfectly. It's gonna come ashore a little bit to the northeast here. Gotta keep up. Gotta keep rolling. Here's the sea! Holy smokes! The ocean just came and totally inundated the parking lot. Oh, and here it comes again. There's no way I caught that properly.